Hi guys, this is Yash here, founder BitDD, and we have a product called BitGenie Research. So I'll just talk a little bit about the tech stack. So we have the front end in Angular, the back end is in Node.js. For database, we have Parse and MongoDB, and we have used cloud, AWS for the cloud, and there it's a microservices architecture, so there are different features to this. It's kind of a a platform where you can follow analyst and market research companies, as well as we also extract a lot of content over the internet in the form of reports, and we upload it over here. So this is the news feed. So when you log in, you get a news feed. So this news feed is basically based on your interest, and you get reports and articles in the news feed. Okay, and there's a free report section. So free report section, we have already mapped 100k plus reports in the repository along with all the analytics. Okay, so and this report you can see the free reports is based on my interest. So when I say analytics, so what are the things there in the analytics? So basically, we extract all the tags, like which country mentioned, which industry, which technology, and which companies are mentioned in the report. We map everything, and then we also create summary of the report. So this is algorithmic summary. We also extract a lot of data, like the title, like the name of the report, the year, and we the graphs, tables, and all the other data. And check the source, where this report is taken from. So you can bookmark the report, and all the other features are there. So this is the bot is built in Python, and it is really good. It can scrape a lot of data. Then we have a feature called Magic Search. So Magic Search is also built in Python. So it is kind of a magic filter where you get the data, and we filter out the data across the internet and give you. So for why we use Magic Search? So when you're looking for any topic and you're not able to find the report on BitGenie Research, so the BitGenie Research, the Magic Search bot goes outside our database and looks for the report on that topic, and within few minutes it gives you the report along with the analytics. Say for example, there's this market research automation, a Magic Search, so I got 4 reports. Okay, and it also will email you the reports. Then there's a custom report bidding engine, so where you can submit your customized request for the report along with all the details, like what is the budget and everything. You can also uh, add any attachment, and this request goes to the analyst and market research companies. After submitting, you can see all the bids over here, and you can go further. Okay, then there's a upload report section as well. So where you can upload your own personal reports, and those will be added in the my report section. Okay, so the my report section is where if any person from your company uploads any report over here, that will be timestamp, and it will be everyone will be able to see the report. Okay, so for example, I've added few reports. I've added the same report plus using the same link, but you can see over here the timestamp and all the everything is there. So how to do that is basically you just go in your drive, get a shareable link, we copy that, and then we just upload the link over here and then submit it. Okay, so this link is added, like, so we process run our all the scripts on the top of this report, but we don't store the report in a repository. So you can see over here it will be added. Yeah, it's added. So you can check the report. Yeah, so tada, over here you can see country, industry, technology, and company. We have extracted all the data. Okay, there's a summary of the report. Okay, and this report will be visible in the my report section. So we don't store the report, but everyone in the company will be able to see this reports. Okay, and this is your private repository. We will not have access to it, and we make sure that the privacy is maintained. There's a trending report section, and where the reports based on different industries which are trending. We show you that, and there's a Chrome extension also which gives you very fast results. Like say you have a Chrome, like you can just search or any topic, and within a second you get and access that report. So that's how the platform works. We have Microsoft add-in as well as API integration, and we have used Elasticsearch to make sure that the search is very fast.